Walking Asset here, and today I just wanted to go over my top 3 technical analysis indicators. So let's get right into it. First, oh wait, let me go here. So for anyone that's wondering, this is thinkorswim. This is completely free. I'll leave a link to sign up down in the bio. But our first technical indicator is the RSI, stands for Relative Strength Index. So I'm just gonna add that in here and hit OK. So yeah, so this is the RSI. It looks like this. So what it does is it measures the price momentum of a stock, and that basically helps you predict price direction. Now you'll notice that there's like mainly 2 colors. There's red and blue. So the stock is oversold if uh, if the RSI is below 30. So like right here, it shows like 34. So like this line right here, this like bottom line is 30, and this one right here is 70. The stock is oversold if the RSI falls below 30, and that's indicated by this blue color. And the stock is overbought when it is above 70, and that's indicated like right here by this red color. Now, what some swing traders like to do, a swing trader is someone who basically buys a stock when it's oversold. So like at a period like right here, when it's oversold right here, and then they'll hold it for a week or two or however long it takes until it swings back and it's overbought. So like this little time period from here to here, a swing trader would hold from this period to this period. Now, a stock can extend its oversold or overbought period. What that basically means is just because a stock is like overbought doesn't mean that it's immediately about to shoot back down. Or if it's oversold, that doesn't mean it's about to shoot all the way back up. That's like indicated right here. Like this is Tesla's chart, by the way. I should have mentioned that earlier. But like right here, it extended its overbought period for like an entire week. Whereas like right here, it like shot all the way up to being overbought and then like gradually fell back down. But yeah, so yeah, that's indicator number 1, RSI. Alrighty, so next up on our technical indicator list is MACD. It stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Kind of rolls off the tongue there. But what MACD does is it helps you decide whether the price direction of the stock is strong or weak. Now, let me highlight this here. This big like peak actually looks better zoomed out. So you got 2 scenarios here. Scenario 1 is if the blue line crosses below the yellow line. And what that does is this signals bearish momentum. So if you pay attention to the MACD here, there's 2 lines here. There's a blue line and then there's a yellow line. So if this blue line crosses below the yellow line, that signals a bearish period. And you can see that here. So like this entire time where the blue line is right below the yellow line, it's all red. It was a massive sell-off. Now the other scenario is like previously. So like if the blue line crosses above the yellow line, that signals bullish price momentum. So like this entire period, the blue line is above the yellow line. That's like the price trending upwards. So yeah, that's MACD. And if you look, like it's pretty consistent. Like notice how similar it looks to the stocks chart. Like back here in this period, before like a huge drop, like notice the blue line, it crossed below the yellow line, and then like this entire like just like a red like huge sell-off just occurred. And yeah, so that's MACD. It helps you decide whether the trend and price direction is like strong or if it's weak. So yeah, moving on. Alrighty, last on our list, we have our commodity channel index, or CCI for short. So let me just add that in. So what the CCI does All right, so just to give you a little background, the CCI, it measures the difference between the current price of the stock and the historic average price of the stock. And what that does is it basically helps you determine if the stock is overbought, like in this case right here, or if it's like oversold, like down here. So let's take a closer look. I'm just going to highlight here. Actually, I'm going to give the CCI more room. Give it more room. Okay, so this is a pretty close look. So there's three lines for the CCI. This middle line, that's 0, and this line above right here, the top line, that's 1, and the line on the bottom is -1. So you're looking at a scale from like 0, 1, -1. So like from bottom to top, the very bottom line is -1, the middle line is 0, and the top line is 1. So the closer the CCI is to like +1, the stronger the price momentum is upwards. And like conversely, the stronger the CCI is to -1, like down here in this case, the stronger the price momentum downwards. So what the CCI does, it helps you confirm price momentum. So like using the CCI along with the MACD and the RSI, like using all three of these can help you, I don't want to say like predict the price exactly, but it makes you a lot more confident in your technical predictions. Alrighty, so yeah, those are my top 3 technical analysis indicators. Just to summarize, number 1 was RSI. Helps you like determine price momentum of the stock. You know, if it's red, it's overbought, and that could signal a downtrend coming. If it's blue, it's oversold, and that could signal an uptrend coming. But like, nothing is certain in the stock market. Then secondly, we have our MACD. Just pay attention to these lines. If the blue crosses above the yellow line, like that's like bullish momentum. If the blue line crosses below the yellow line, that signals bearish momentum. And then finally, we have the CCI, the Channel Commodity Index. The Commodity Channel Index, and this is like a signal pulse to the price momentum. So if you're predicting from the MACD that like the price is trending upwards, you can take a double check, like second look at the CCI, and you also see that this is signaling that it's in upward trending like price direction. But yeah, that's all I have for today, guys. If you learned something new, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, of course, leave them down in the comment section. But yeah, take care.
Gonna just keep running away?